The thing that is really great about the workshop is that everything is integrated. I can start designing a character with a clay and then I can directly take it to the design lab.
I can design a signage and then immediately take it to the fabrication lab and manufacture it.
The workshops are backbones of our learning and teaching processes at design school, where thinking hands and working minds work, where thinking hands explore, create the material, know the processes, and leads towards innovation with the support of working minds.
Design processes today need a wide range of facilities, which would include digital tablets to traditional hand-carved wooden blocks. Students are encouraged to intersperse processes and disciplines within the context of their design projects.
Nature has always been the source of inspiration for all the designers. The trick is to be a very keen observer of your surrounding, of your environment. After the first inspiration or the impulse, then you form your thought by drawing, and then you draw till the time your idea crystallizes. But then making is the ultimate test of your thought. If you cannot make it, your idea has no value. Making is the litmus test of your ideas.
What I have learned so far through the workshop is the best way to check that our idea will work or not,
and to implement it practically. And what will be a better place than a material workshop to do so? Our workshop allows to do all kinds of experimentations and problem solving, which makes us actually see our idea germinate to life, which gives a different kind of high.
Design is more of a problem solving thing for me at a first glance, and hands-on experiences. Students are encouraged to take part in research of traditional crafts, not only its technique but its form, its need, to the context, its origin. They are involved into hands-on workshops like print and printmaking.